Here we are, early March, and we're just in time to prune the hydrangeas. And it's a good time to do it this time of year when the risk of a heavy frost is more or less past. You cut them at this time of year to make way for the nice new growth, which is going to support the flower heads in sort of July time. When you're pruning hydrangeas, you want to cut out the dead, diseased and the dying, and you want to sort of take it back, take a third out, and you want to take a third down, and you want to thin it out so that light gets to the base, so that we will encourage new growth from the base. And so you take out any of the weak stems to just leave in the nice strong upright growing ones. This one here hasn't been pruned for a while, but what we're going to do, we're going to give it a good prune now, and hopefully next year it will hopefully this summer, it will look really good. So we're about halfway through pruning this rather large hydrangea, and it's not been pruned for a little while, so as well as secateurs, it's a good idea to get loppers when you're dealing with a shrub of this size. But as you can see, I've thinned it out. I've cut a third off the top, always going to like an outward facing bud, but with hydrangeas they tend to have buds on either side, but you're doing it so that it's going to continue growing out from here on in a lovely goblet manner. And you want light to get in to encourage new growth from the base. So here we are, we're finished. You can see it's been cut back by about a third. We thinned it out. We've got rid of the dead, dying, the crossing branches. So hopefully now this will grow nice and strong new growth and will flower beautifully this summer.